Hi there folks. Now firstly, thank you to all of you that already subscribed to the channel here. I looked a few moments ago before I came online, almost up at 330,000. Now my aim here on the channel has always been to provide the no BS approach to trading, a no BS look at what this is all about. It's to give you a glimpse under the hood, to show you what really is happening. You'll never see me sell you a pipe dream or tell you how easy this business is, because it's not. I won't be telling you that if you follow me, you can give up your day job in 6 months' time. You can tell your boss to go and jump in the lake. That is not going to happen with me. I'm going to tell you exactly how it is. So ultimately, you can decide whether it's for you or not. We've all seen the statistics in the past that paint the true picture. That most that start off trading the financial markets, day trading, most that give this a shot, they end up failing. Now here in the UK, for example, the brokers that you may wish to use, they have to divulge on their website the percentage of winners versus the failures. Now I did a quick look before I came on camera, and it ranges really between about 75 and 82% of their account holders are failing. Basically, they're donating money to the markets. It's great for people like me. Personally, I think the percentage of failures is a lot higher. So we've got to ask ourselves the question, why is that? This week, I did a quick survey here on the channel to all my followers out there. First of all, thank you all for taking part in that. Most interesting to see the results. I asked a simple question about the level of experience that you may have in the financial markets. Now, it showed that 23% had zero experience at all. 25% had less than 6 months. So that's pretty much half the people that watch my channel here, or the ones that bothered to vote at least, have little or no experience whatsoever. And that's maybe a clue of why so many are failing, because they're jumping maybe straight in to the trading markets with their own money without really having the proper education, rather than just looking at a YouTube video. But of course, we all have to start somewhere with our education, and YouTube really is a great place for that. I, for one, I'm a big fan of the education you see here on the channels. I'm signing up to all the flight simulator channels at the moment, looking to fly the Airbus 320. But if you're searching the YouTube channels, looking to give up your day job or make that passive income full-time trading career, you ain't going to do it just by looking at YouTube channels. I think you're going to be disappointed. Now, if you're looking out there, scrolling through, looking for the magic strategy, then again, I think you're going to be disappointed. No one out there is going to give you a plug and play strategy so you never have to work again. I think, again, if that's what you're looking for, you're going to be disappointed. I have put out some strategies out here on the channel, some very good, powerful strategies, but that alone isn't going to be enough to make you a trader that maybe you desire to be. Now, back in 2002, I did my private pilot's flight training course, learning to fly a light aircraft. I had to study loads to pass the theory exams. But was I going to get up in the air just because I knew the mechanics of flight? Heck no. You need to have hand-on experience, mentoring from a professional. I do actually consider myself a trading professional, although I wouldn't consider myself a flying professional. If you really want to learn how to trade, use the education that you see here on the YouTube channels as a foundation. But if you are serious and you don't want to be a donator to the market, if you don't want to be in that 78% of the failures, you need to explore some more professional education. And there's plenty of places out there that you can do that. We've all read the books that the emotions of trading are by far the biggest challenges that we are going to face. Now, you can read it in all the books. I've got all the books under the sun. I've watched all the educators in the past talking the same. There's one thing they actually have in common, that the emotions are the biggest challenge. Maybe getting involved in a trading community with that mentor by your side is something that you may want to consider at some point. Not necessarily from the get-go, There's plenty of foundation work that you can do here on the YouTube before you maybe embark on that. But if you are serious, it is something that I think you should consider. But ultimately, the decision is yours. You can select to do it, learn from a book, and go with it. I would suggest that maybe if you're doing it that way round, you do just do demo trading for now, rather than donate money to the market. Maybe think about getting some proper education first. Imagine having a private mentor sitting on your shoulder throughout the trading day in a trading community, pretty much like we offer here. Now, I am sitting in the trading community 5 days a week with my fellow mentors, and we're doing just that. We're helping rookie, new traders, basically with their mindset, with their trading approach, everything from ground up. So in mind that 50% of the people that are watching my YouTube channel have little or no experience whatsoever, I'm inviting you now to come and join me inside the trading room, and you've got a 7-day free trial. Now, if you take that trial up, you're gonna have a chance to talk to me on a one-to-one basis. We can jump on camera or not camera if you don't want to show your face. We'll discuss your trading journey, maybe map out a path and see indeed if this is right for you or not. For some of you, it will be right. For some of you, it won't be right. But I'm certainly happy to give you a bit of my time to see what it is all about. So take out the 7-day free trial. And when you do that, let me know you've come in from this video, and that way I'll be able to roll out the red carpet for you personally. Of course, depending on how many take up this offer, depending on how long I can spend with you on camera, but it certainly will be something I'll get in for you. We'll schedule a date. Now, if that's not your thing and you want to do it on your own, that is also not a problem with me. Keep tuning in here to the channel. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'll be dishing out free content each and every week, as I always do. But I want to make sure, though, you get this right and you don't think this free content that you see from me or anyone else is ever going to make you a successful trader in the long run. Don't forget to follow us on all the socials, by the way, and don't forget to hit that bell notification when you do subscribe. That way you'll be notified the moment the next video has been released. If that is not your thing whatsoever, that is not a problem. I'll see you next week with some more free content. Have a good week.